Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Soul Happy Life. In today's video we'll make sabudana khichdi which is very healthy and tasty. Before preparing, if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the updates and notifications. So for making sabudana, I've taken 1 cup of sabudana, wash it 2 to 3 times thoroughly and clean it so that the starch will be removed. After 2-3 washes, it will look like this. So soak this sabdana for 3 hours minimum. For 1 cup I have taken 1 glass of water. Let it rest for 3 hours. So after 3 hours it looks very light and the water is absorbed completely, but it is not sticky. Okay. For the preparation I have taken 1 carrot, 1 potato, 1 onion, 2 green chilies, rock salt, half lemon and curry leaves and the coriander. Cut all of them into small pieces. Take the kadai. Take 1 tablespoon of oil. Especially in north side, if you see, sabudana is specially used in the time of fasting, which is very good because it's starches. You feel very active and healthy. It provides good energy. Once the oil is heated, add 1 spoon of cumin seeds and 1 spoon of urad dal. Let it stir fry for 2 minutes. And while making, I will also explain the benefits. Sabudana is actually a gluten-free product, which is very good. If somebody is wanted to increase their weight in a healthy way, this is one of the best because of its starches and simplest form of carbohydrates. It helps in increasing the healthy fatty tissues in the internal organs. That's where the healthy protein you can put on in a healthy way. So for the oil I have added 2 green chilies, curry leaves. Let it fry for 2 minutes. It also promotes the muscle growth because of its good calcium levels, and it regulates the proper digestion also. If somebody has a irritable bowel syndrome or indigestion issues, this is constipation also, it is very good. It has a good iron also in it, which also provides for the better blood pumping to the body. Add the onions to it. Let it fry for few minutes. People who are doing the fasting, this is one of the best and quick way to prepare. People who are going for the diet restrictions, this is one of the easiest way to prepare. I'm adding the rock salt because this is good and healthy also. Also, as I told you, if somebody is a gluten intolerance people, this is the one of the best breakfast. Sabudana doesn't, it's a gluten free product, so this is the best way to consume it, and it is very healthy also. It gives the instant energy levels, also it maintains the metabolic rate. Add the potato and carrot. Let it stir fry for few more minutes. So after 2-3 minutes, it's almost onions and potato carrots are cooked. Now you can add the sabudana to it. Sabudana is also protects the energy levels, and it helps in keeping the blood pressure in control. And many of the people, because of iron deficiency or too much of work pressure, they feel fatigue whole day. But when you consume this as a breakfast, it maintains good energy levels. Also you feel energetic, and the fatigueness will come down. So I'm adding little jeera powder to it, cumin powder. So stir it for 2-3 minutes. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Keep the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is done, Yeah, we can see it's almost ready. Now add little bit of lemon juice to it. Add the coriander to it. So mix it properly and our sabudana khichdi is almost ready. So this you can consume anytime, but for the breakfast this is one of the best thing to consume. There are many ways that we can prepare, but this khichdi is good for all age groups. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.